tomato. So I borrowed. Like you take a little bit more seasoning. So when it's almost ready, we're gonna add Irish carrot, butter bean, scotch bonnet pepper. I don't want to add the pepper too early because it's gonna be too spicy for some people to eat. But now what we're going to do, add a little water to this, then we cover it up and let it simmer. It'll take a while to get tender, so add a nice amount of water. I'm going to cover it up and let it simmer. Cover that so you go back up to temp. Looking delicious already. In the meantime, our oxtail is simmering. We're going to cut up our carrot. Yeah, good job, man. Yeah, so oxtail on the way. Start to simmer. Bubbling, add a little butter. A little bit of tomato ketchup. That should be it. All left to do for it to simmer until it gets tender. And we're gonna add the Irish carrot and the butter beans. So we wanna give it a little more color. That's perfect. Simmer until it's nice and tender. And the liquid evaporates. Get nice and rich.
Bread? Bread?
Now we're gonna add the carrot and the Irish to the bags. 1 scotch bonnet pepper. Mix them up. In a couple of minutes, we're gonna add the butter bean. Simmer down and it will be ready to eat. Delicious. Just cover this back up. Let it continue to cook. My sexy pants right here. Okay, the oxtail almost ready. Now I'm gonna add the butter bean. I add some butter ready. Now it's time for the butter bean. Yeah. This you just throw it over the fence like that. I'm joking.
Wait, that. Yeah. Isn't that weird?
Oh yeah, mix it up. Mix it up. See that, guys? So delicious. And I'm gonna put in it. I'll put a fresh piece of thyme in there now to get some nice fresh flavor. Grab that. Shane, stir that up for me, Shane. Smells good, right?
Uh-huh.
Put some fresh thyme in there, bro.
You see that? I was gonna pull it up.
Just simmer for like 5 more minutes. Wow, that's so delicious, yo. That's the best oxtails in the world. Better than all you can find in the restaurants. Call this one the backyard oxtail. Yeah, man. Melon boy style. Guys, and this is the finished product. Melon boy style oxtail. See? Beautiful. Carrots, potatoes, butter bean, all the fresh thyme. Wow. Smell that flavor, Shane?
Smell it.
To test this out. Wow,
But the funny thing
so
is,
tender,
The
man.
last time they actually started the video was 6 hours ago.
So tender. Look at that. Look at that. There's gravy in there. Oh yeah. That's so tender. Oh goodness. Look at that. Like butter. See that?
This is a really fun
Yeah. See that?
Huh?
That's like butter. Oh my goodness. It's like the best ever. Every day I cook, oxtail get better and better. Better and better every day. It's experience, you know. You have to know how to cook, how to add your stuff, your ingredients, layer by layer. This is so good. I would eat this every day, but guess what? I can't afford it. So good. Yo, where's the plate, bro? You run away? Anyway, I'll get back here so you can take the plate. Wanna try some? So delicious, man. I wanna share this with the world. Trust me. Yo, that's good, right? What do you think? 3 out of 10.
I would give it a 9.9799.
Yeah, man. Good stuff. All you need now is some rice and peas, you know? Some people say rice and beans. Yeah, red beans with some coconut milk, some rice, you cook that down, throw the oxtail on top with the gravy. So delicious, man. Yeah, man. So, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. You can leave a comment. What would you like us to cook next? Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe. Melon Boys is here. Yeah, man.
Yeah, peace.
One love. All the time.